We actually recently worked with some very young enthusiastic boys, and we came up with a app version based world's first Bhagavad Gita.
जी
And the whole idea behind that book was that we wanted to make wisdom accessible. जो ज्ञान है उसको आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को किस तरह सरलता से उनके जीवन में उनको समझा सकते हैं और वो कैसे अप्लाई हो सकते हैं. और ये जो हमने किताब बनाई, the purpose was people should understand what the Gita is and also इसको मैं अपने जीवन में कैसे लगा सकता हूँ. तो उस पुस्तक में गीता के हर श्लोक की व्याख्या है ऑडियो विजुअल माध्यम से, एनिमेशन के माध्यम से, और हर श्लोक को आप अपने व्यक्तिगत जीवन में, पारिवारिक जीवन में और जो आपका व्यावसायिक जीवन है, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, उसमें आप कैसे लगा सकते हैं. एवरी सिंगल वर्ड्स इज एक्सप्लेन लाइक दैट.
कोई डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा ये ऐप जो आप बता रहे हैं, कोई प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है, कैसे, ये थोड़ा सा मुझे समझाइए.
सो ये पुस्तक जो है इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन Amazon. इट्स कॉल्ड भगवद गीता फॉर ऑल. एंड दिस बुक इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुली डिजाइन्ड कॉफी टेबल बुक. एंड यू वुडंट बिलीव, देयर आर two boys 28 years old who approached me with this strong zeal that, sir, we want to make this book's knowledge accessible to the world. And I was so impressed by these two young boys. I said, wow, it's someone at your age is thinking like this. And they were damn serious. I tried to discourage them कि बेटा ये इतना आसान काम नहीं है, it's a huge humongous job. But they were gung-ho. So boys is Prithvi and Siddhant, that is their name. And we started working on that project. It took me 17 months just to write that script. The script is spanned for more than 4 lakh words. And then they transformed into an animation to actually bring it up. So the book comes with almost 100 hours of video content.
100 hours. Almost it is...
And once you have that book, you have access to the app. And sitting at home, all you need is an internet connection to be connected to that age-old wisdom of Gita. And your same smartphone.
तो 5 दिन में ये बुक हम पूरा देख सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं. इट्स ओनली 100 hours
ऑफ वीडियो कंटेंट.
राइट. तो 5 दिन का बात है. ये 5 दिन के लिए ये टाइम तो लोग स्पेयर कर ही सकते हैं, rather not watching anything on the YouTube.
The book is already very famous and there are so many people reading and there are so many reviews we keep getting and people are saying that my grandmother is seeing it, my uncle is seeing it, my children are seeing it. Instead of watching Pokemon, they see this while eating their lunch and dinner. This is transformational. This is groundbreaking. We get letters from CEOs, messages from CEOs who are saying, I'm learning such professional leadership lessons from Gita. This is what is required. Our ancient wisdom.
So no app has to be, downloaded.
There is an app that gets downloaded once you purchase the book. The book, then you download the app and the book has a code which activates the app. The entire procedure is very seamlessly described.
Paying and every system will be
exactly.
there.
Yeah. Okay. And then you can, and there is a free version of the app. You can go and first explore what the content is. It's called Bhagavad Gita for all.
Okay.
But the point is, wisdom is priceless. What Krishna told Arjun 5,000 years back, you can't even put a tag of value to it. It's priceless. It's the best thing. It's one of the best things which our ancients have handed down to us. And you see all our leaders, both in the past and the present, how much they hold Gita in great esteem. So that's what our attempt was, that we wanted to make this book as accessible, as simple, as easy to understand, that no one should have an excuse that I don't know Sanskrit, I can't read Gita, मेरे को संस्कृत नहीं आता है, मेरे को इतनी फिलोसफी नहीं आती. नहीं, बहुत सरल तरीके से समझाया. अब आप इसको समझो और अपना जीवन सुधारो.